I'm 58 years old. Got diagnosed in '08 with primary progressive multiple sclerosis. I didn't know anything about research before I was diagnosed. I didn't know anything about research when I got diagnosed. It was only after a couple of years I was asked would I like to go on a research trial, which I agreed to go on. I was asked by my consultant would I like to go on a clinical trial. He told us roughly what it would be about, how long it would take. I had a discussion with my wife, who's my carer, and we agreed to go on it. I decided to get involved in the research in case anyone in my family, my children, my grandchildren as I've got now, if it happened to them, I'd like to think they would have treatment to get over it, or to at least help them get through it. I enjoy coming to research. I come 4 times a year for an infusion. I enjoy coming for it, and the family like me to come. It's a day out. Being involved in the research project, it gives me energy, I think. For the evenings, I'm not as tired of an evening. My social life has improved, I feel. I quite often go out at weekends, only the one night. But yeah, it has improved my life, I think. When I come to clinical trials, I come, as I said before, 4 times a year. I meet up with 2 other colleagues from where I work, and we have a little chat on how we're all getting on. You also meet other people with the same type of MS, and other people with different types of MS. And it's fascinating sometimes to find out how they cope and how the carers cope. The research I'm involved in at the moment, I come into clinic, I have cognitive tests done, I do walking tests, how far I can walk, how fast I can walk. And then in the afternoon, I have an infusion. That takes about 2.5 hours. Your relationship with the staff in clinical research, they're not staff, they're friends. And you get to know their family, and they get to know my family. I've not long had twin grandchildren, and my nurse always asks how they are. My daughter's pregnant and she's having another grandchild, and they always ask how she is. And I think that's nice. It's not just you come in and you have whatever you've come in for. They are personal about it. It's very nice here. Although coming here for a long time, I don't know whether the medication works, but after all these years, I can still walk, although with a stick, and I can still go out and go for short walks with my wife and my friends. I can even, on occasions, go to the bar. But that's awkward bringing the beer back because I have a walking stick. The clinical research to me is I'm trying to give something back. I was asked to go on it. I had nothing to lose. I've gone on it, and it's been a good thing for me over the last 3-4 years. I have enjoyed coming here.